We are going to see the assignment problem number 10. So how to construct the assignment number 10? What are the data given? A square lamina, a square is given PQRS 40 mm, rests on the ground. Ground means horizontal plane, rests on HP on one of its corner P. So this corner P is lies on HP. Okay, such that diagonal PR. So PQRS. So the line joining P and R. This is your diagonal PR. This is the so PQRS. So diagonal PR is available here. Okay. So diagonal PR is inclined 45 degree to HP. That means surface is inclined to HP. So diagonal PR in this problem, it is indicating that the plane is inclined 45 degree to HP. So this diagonal PR is inclined 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. That is the condition. So when the corner is resting on HP, the diagonal passing through the resting point P, that is PR, is inclined 45 degree to HP means the plane is inclined to HP. And the same diagonal PR and apparently inclined 30 degree to VP. What is meant by apparently inclined? When the diagonal PR is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, you are getting one top view. That is the apparent top view of the diagonal PR. That diagonal PR, the top view, I am going to rotate. This top view, what are the top view I am getting here? In that you are having reduced length of the diagonal PR. That PR I am going to make 30 degree inclined to VP. That is called apparent inclination. The same diagonal PR is inclined to VP, inclined 30 degree to VP. That is nothing but apparent inclination. Why it is called apparent inclination? In this case, diagonal PR is having true length. In the top view, apparent length will be available. That top view I am going to rotate in such a way that the diagonal PR is inclined 30 degree to VP. Okay. So simply when you read the condition, diagonal PR is inclined 45 degree to HP means plane is inclined 45 degree to HP. So you have to start with the top view. This is the apparent inclination that will be available in the final diagram. Now we come to the problem. Surface inclination is given as diagonal PR inclined 45 degree to HP. That is the surface inclination. Edge inclination here it is given. The same diagonal PR apparently inclined 30 degree to VP. That is the edge inclination or apparent inclination. Okay. So diagonal PR apparently inclined at, that is top view are going to rotate, inclined at 30 degree to VP. That is the edge inclination. Which is the resting part here? Rests on the ground on one of its corner P. So corner P is lying on HP. That is the condition. Okay. Now we will work out this problem. So one diagonal PR is inclined to HP. Now you look at the plane here. So PQRS. So diagonal PR. This is a diagonal PR. PQR. This diagonal PR now available in this orientation. I am keeping corner here. The second diagram, the diagonal When you rotate the front view, diagonal PR will be inclined 45 degree to HP. The third diagram, the same diagonal PR, that is top view, I am going to rotate to 30 degree. That is called the apparent inclination. Now you have to measure 45 degree. That is important. Even though angle is not given in the problem, you have to take 45 degree. Draw the square here. Sorry. Here condition given P, Q, R and S. Then draw the projector lines. Your front view. So this will be P dash, Q and S, R dash. The second diagram, this diagonal P dash R dash should be inclined 45 degree to HP. That means this front view we are going to transfer here. Measure P to Q. So this will be V1 dash, Q1 dash and S1 dash. This will be R1 dash. Using this, we are going to draw the apparent top view. This will be P1, Q1, R1 and S1. Now the diagonal PR is available here. So this is your diagonal PR. The same diagonal PR is available in the front view. Diagonal PR is inclined 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Now as per the condition, diagonal PR is apparently inclined 30 degree to VP. That means we are going to rotate the top view in such a way that this diagonal PR is inclined to VP. That is called apparent inclination because we are going to rotate the top view of the diagonal PR. Now, you enclose this inside the rectangle to make the diagonal PR inclined to VP. You make line 1 and 2 inclined to VP. So transfer 1 and 2 here. Draw the perpendicular lines. Transfer 1 and 4. Transfer 2 and 3. P available on 1 and 4. Transfer that measurement. Q available in between 4 and 3. R available in between 3 and 2. S available in between 2 and 1. So join P, Q, R, S. Now join the diagonal PR. Now this diagonal PR is inclined, apparently inclined 30 degree to VP. Okay. So after this, you can erase this 30 degree. Now you draw the final front view. Extend P, P1 dash. Extend Q, Q1 dash. Extend R, R1 dash. And S2 dash. Now join all the points. This will be your final friend. Now, diagonal PR is inclined 45 degree to HP. Corner P is on HP. P1 dash resting on HP. Now look at the diagram here. Corner P resting on HP. Diagonal P1 dash R1 dash inclined 45 degree to HP. The same diagonal PR, apparent length is available. That apparent length PR should be inclined 30 degree to VP in the final diagram. This is called the apparent view or top view inclination. Okay. In the final diagram, the top view appears to be inclined 30 degree to VP, or the diagonal PR apparently or appears to be inclined 30 degree to VP. That will be available in the final diagram.